Hi parents, good morning to you. It's weekend again, and I want to really give you more examples on how I solve questions because I know that for some of you, SA1 has already started, and then for others, SA1 will be starting next week. So, a period of high stress for us parents. Yes. You notice that my voice has changed. Yeah, because just recovered from flu. But again, I think it's a commitment from us to help us parents. Yeah. So I want to do a video that can really help you. And again, it's not about getting it right. I think it's about um, taking notes and hearing my processes, because processes will never change, while we know that there are possibly 101 types of questions that you can see in exam papers. So one trick here is you got to teach your child processes, because when it comes to solving any problem sum, the process is always the same. And here goes. Okay, so Lily gave 3/5 of her cookies to her brother. For some of you whose children are with us in our center, you get to hear from them K, C, N, S, U. Yeah? So K stands for keyword, C stands for concept, N stands for numbers, S stands for statements, and U stands for units. So this is always the 5-step process that you must get your child to remember at all times. Okay? So K is a keyword. What is the keyword here? Can you see that this remainder? So remainder tells you remainder concept. So it's a good habit to write it here. And whenever a child thinks of remainder concepts, and if he is trained in concept-based learning, in his mind he would have thought of two methods. One is the modern method and using pull down technique, or secondly, it can be branching. Yeah, generally for children of this age, they are still considered young kids. Modern method is always a preferred choice. Yeah, because they still learn visually at this young age. Young age even for 12-year-old. Okay, so again, C will give you this, and then in next one we number. So what are the numbers that you must circle? So circle 3/5 of her cookies. Remember, 1/4 is of the remainder, and one thing to note is of is always times. Okay. Then 60 left, and then how many cookies did she have at first? Okay, now using modern method, let me change color. 3/5. Okay, 3/5. So you have to draw 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do proper labeling. Yeah, a complete model should show you clear labels, and there's no need to refer back to the question. So this is how complete your model must be. Then this is the remainder. Okay, remainder. So just put R. Okay, in this case, it's pretty straightforward, because can you see that left 2 boxes and this is 4, and both are even numbers. So in fact you can just cut this into 4 boxes. So if you cut this, remember to cut the rest also. Yeah, you notice that I put dotted lines to show that the boxes have been cut. If you use blue pen and you draw one line down, it's really very hard to see that there's a change in here. So you got to draw dotted line to show that the model has been cut. Okay, so 1/4 given to mother. So this one is mother, put M. Then 60 left. Okay, 60 left. So in this case, you can see that 1, 2, 3 units is equals to 60. Okay, and again, for almost all problem sums, you need to find the value of 1 unit, and this is always the intermediate step. Okay, so sometimes when your child is stuck, he needs to find the value of 1 unit. Okay, so how many cookies did she have at first? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in fact, it's good habit to put the question mark right here to remind yourself that you need to find this value. Okay, so again, I repeat, a good model will be something that you just need to refer to this without the need to go back to the question again, because it takes time, and you know that every second counts in the exam. Okay, so 10 units is equals to 10 times 20 equals to 200, and this is the answer. Okay, so 200. So that's it for this one. Give it a try. Bye. And then don't just go in and do it and get the answer. What would be more helpful is to talk it out about the processes with your kid. Okay, good luck.